Firstly, you measure out roughly a metre squared, which we have here in the States. Then we establish how much sand remedy we're going to put in. This is very poor virgin sand, which is very water repellent, so we're going to put double the recommended rate. So it's what we do. Is first up, sprinkle it around. This is 0.6 of a kilo. So we sprinkle it around the area, over the top. I'll do about half of that. I like to use a mattock to dig it in. And we're just going to dig it into about 10 centimetres. Firstly, I'll dig in the sand remedy. And then I'll put some organic matter in, which I'll show you in a minute. So we've got the first amount of sand remedy in. And I'll put some old compost in. This is how I'd apply it if I was going to put exotic plants or herbs or possibly even vegetables. So chop that in. Then I'd put the rest of the sand remedy in. Make sure you get a fairly even coverage. And keep chopping it. I'd put a bit more organic matter on the top surface. Very wet old compost. If I was going to put vegetables in here, I'd put more organic matter and maybe a bit more fertiliser in there. And then before planting the area, I would put some more organic matter over the top, either organic matter or mulch. But just before you do put any plants, I'd recommend giving them a good soaking. And then just for good measure, I would chop all that through again. And give it one final coating, soaking. And you notice pretty much straight away the water's soaking in. There's none of it's pooling up or running off. And that should stay that way with regular watering during summer, throughout the week on your allocation.